The educational board game that I created is called Subtraction Action. So this board game is ideal for kindergartners and pairs of 2. So each group would have a different game board with a different equation on each square in different orders, so that the game could be used throughout the year multiple times. So for this example, one student would have an orange pawn with orange tokens, and the other student would have a blue pawn with blue tokens. Now, they would determine who goes first, and the person who would go first rolls. And so let's say orange goes first and they rolled a 1. So they would move to the first space and answer the equation 5 minus 2. They would answer that with 3, and since they got it correct, they'll put their color token on that rectangle. Now, blue would go and move 3, 1, 2, 3, and answer that equation. 10 minus 8 is 2, and so they would put a blue token on this rectangle. And orange would go, and they moved to 1, so 9 minus 4 is 5. And then blue would go, 1, 2, 3, 8 minus 4. Now let's say that this student accidentally says 8 minus 4 is 3. Now the orange student catches it and says, hey, let's check that on our fingers. So the students would hold up 8 fingers and subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and have 4 left. So 8 minus 4 is 4. When the students come to that conclusion, the blue student would not put a token on their rectangle because they didn't get the correct answer. So the orange student would go 1, 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, and they would continue this pattern all the way to the end. So when they got to the end, the students would take their tokens and count how many tokens they had total, and whoever had the most wins.